sis. How are you? Hope you're doing fine right now. Saka sana okay ka lang ngayon. Kasi I just want to say or greet you advance happy birthday. Di man tayo laging magkausap or we're not frequently talking to each other. But always know that I'm just here to talk to you if you need someone to talk with, and then if you need some advice, I'm here. And also just want to say thank you for having me as your brother in this group. Hope or I wish you all the best in life, especially good health. Kailangan sisingatan natin yung health natin, kasi hindi na tayo bata. Ano na tayo, paangat na, hindi pabata. So alagaan mo lagi yung sarili mo. Saka yung stress, alam natin maraming problema sa buhay, pero it depends on us on how we going to handle it. Saka sis, kailangan smile lagi para hindi masira yung beauty natin, Ingat palagi. Happy birthday again, and then wish you all the best, more birthdays to come, and good health. Ingat palagi sis. Bye.
Hi Ate Rose! Happy birthday! More birthday to come. God bless.
Ayun, sinabi na niya. Happy birthday.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta po kayo sa pamilya GBL? Sa nag-iisang bulaklak ng ating pamilya, happy birthday Ninang Rose. More birthday to come. Ingat ka palagi. Sana ay marami pang dumating na blessing. Marami pang dumating na birthday sa buhay mo, Ninang. At sana ay maging malusog ka palagi. Sa family GBL, shout out sa inyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayo. Love you all.
Happy golden years sa'yo, Maring Rose, and wishing you many more birthdays to come. And more success in life. Kahit palagi niyo akong pinubuli ni Reyna Imelda, babati at babati pa rin ako sa special na araw mo ngayong 2020. Pero hindi ko na pahabain yung mga sasabihin ko dahil baka mahaba pa yung sasabihin ng mga susunod sa akin. So again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and enjoy your life.
Happy birthday, Lalabs! I really hope that you will enjoy your 50th birthday. Wish you all the best in life, good health, at sana hindi ka magbabago. Stay as sweet as you are, at kapasaway. Love you, Lalabs. Remember na nandito lang ako palagi sa iyo. Love you.
Mami, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mami. More birthday to come. Love you. Love you, Mami.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.